Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are on our Clara Street project in Fort Worth, Texas, where we are finished with this basement. We had to rebuild all the walls and put in a drain system and seal everything up after we rebuilt the walls and tied it in to the floor system. And on the exterior wall, we put in an extra drain. As you can tell, you can see our floor ports right here. And you can see the hot water here. It used to be sitting in the center of the room, right here, and now that it's moved over to the corner, it just opens up the room so much better. Over inside the corner where we have our sump, we have our dehumidifier, we have our backup battery with the button, and then we have our inverter. Changes from AC to DC. That's with the blinking light. It's charging. And you can see our check valve with the clear cup and a high water alarm that's attached. Now, we like always making sure that when we plug in, we leave extra ports for other workers. You see, there's an extra port here, and then there's a port there on the quad outlet. You will notice that we put ports in the floor for other reasons, and here's a perfect reason. Here, you have a hot water heater. Rather than run the line out, it's right here. Runs into our floor port, which automatically runs over to our sump to pump it out. In other homes, let me give you an idea of how it normally is, just like the way the air conditioning is. We're going to cut a hole in the floor and we'll run it over here. But right now, this is what the average basement home look like. You have a pump, all the AC lines run into it, and then when the pump comes on, when it's full of water, it'll run up, it'll come out, look at it, goes across here, and now it comes across the ceiling, go over across the other side, runs all the way out through the stairs, and then out through the wall. As you can think, water from time to time may drip. You may have a lot of issues, and just like the issue here, when you have a lot of film inside here, you pull out that pipe. If you don't check it on a regular basis, it'll clog. If it clogs your port, your air conditioning can't breathe, and your air conditioning system will just freeze up. And that is not good. So it's easier just to run it into a portable drain port, and it'll always run that way. And all the plumbing that runs up and out through the ceiling is irrelevant. So now that everything is done, we have our corner port, another exterior port here for ice makers or whatever the reason. And we seal to the back of the wall. And now we have livable space here. If you see our previous videos, you'd see how cramped everything in here looked. And we removed them all by putting in our steel I-beam right here in the top. Carries all the weight versus all the studs that were going down and supporting all the weight inside the run, which was considerable. So now that you've seen it, if you enjoy our videos, please click the like button or subscribe, and you can see some of our other projects coming up. All right, let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.